everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sinisha, and this is not the PeepSo feature highlights anymore. It is going to become PeepSo and Almighty Support features highlights. Alright? Because now we have two products to talk about. Usually I will talk about PeepSo on this channel only, but we recently introduced a new support plugin or support platform for WordPress, and now it's time for it to receive some spotlight. All right, so let's begin. You might be wondering, why did we decide to build this plugin in the first place? Well, the answer is quite simple actually, because we at PeepSo also have to provide support to you guys using PeepSo, okay? So in order to help you, we had to develop a platform that will help us help you. And previously, we had to rely on third-party software or software as a service, which was incredibly pricey and often not offering all the options that we needed in order to provide the support at the level of the quality you deserve. All right, so previously we used, at some point actually, we used this solution. And look at this pricing over here. You know, for 5 agents, we had to pay almost $7,000 every single year. Let that sink in for a while. $7,000 for 5 agents. Okay? $7,000 a year is a lot of money. And that was not sustainable. That will never do. We had to do something about it. And at some point, we started developing Almighty Support. And now we are ready to show it to you and give it to you. All right? In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to get the support platform or Almighty Support, how to install it on your website, and how to go through very basic configuration that will get you started. All right? The configuration is huge already. It's not the PeepSo level huge, but it's big, and it's simply impossible not to fit everything into a single episode. But for now, we are just going to get the Almighty Support, install it on our website, and make a basic configuration that will allow us to provide support to our customers. We will begin right here on this website, because we need to go to pricing, and I will leave the link in the description below, so you can just click on that link and visit the website immediately. And you will see a no-nonsense pricing right off the bat. Remember, just a few moments ago, we were discussing a $7,000 price for just 5 agents, okay? And for this plugin, we are starting it at only $49 a year with no limitations whatsoever, okay? So let's compare that to the $7,000 and 5 agents only. You will basically get the exact same thing. I'm not kidding you, I'm not joking. So exact same thing that you will be paying $7,000 to third-party service that you don't have control over can be replaced with a $49 plugin. Now, you might think this is silly, but it's not. Trust me, I'm gonna show you it is not. And to be fair, this is an early bird price, okay? This price will probably go up very soon, and if you are looking at this video 1 year or God knows how long in the future, then this price probably not be it. It will most likely be $299 a year or something like that. But even then, paying $300 a year is still better than $7,000. Once you complete the purchase, you will be redirected here in your dashboard, where you will have an option to see your account dashboard, purchase history, file downloads, documentation, and even visit the support. I cannot show you the support because I am the agent on this website and I'm gonna reveal the personal data of other users, but I'm gonna show you support on the site that I specifically built for this purpose, and from now on we are going to use this site. Okay, so let's close this. We downloaded the almighty support plugin and we are ready to install it on our own website. Just to clarify, this is not the PeepSo based website. It doesn't even use Gecko theme. All right. I do have some plugins installed like WooCommerce, Analytics, WP Forms. That doesn't matter. My site looks something like this. It has a store. Okay. And it has a missing images that don't blame me, blame the automatic installer that created this website. Okay. And it's a standard website that you will probably see, and maybe some of you even have the site of that kind. Okay. And it has some homepage, shop page, about, and contact. Now, the owner of this website is providing the support for the products that they are selling on the website through the contact form, and that is okay. Okay, they have a map how to find them. They have the street, call the support for this phone number, working hours, and if you want to get in touch with them, you will have to send them an email. Okay, name, email, comment or message, and then submit your message. But what if we install the support platform so you can actually open tickets on this website? And we are going to do just that. Let's get back to the dashboard, close this, go to plugins, add new, and we are going to install the almighty support that we just downloaded from our dashboard. Choose the file. I have it saved here. Open, install now, and just like that, the support, almighty support, is now going to be installed. All we need to do is activate the plugin. Once activated, the new option will be available here, but read carefully, your website might be in danger because I'm using the PHP 741. This message will be shown. Almighty support recommends at least PHP 8. Okay, it's a recommendation, not a requirement. All right, so let's dismiss this. And it's now asking me to activate my license for Almighty Support Pro. Click on this link and the license field will be shown where you will enter the license key that you got during the purchase. Currently, it is not possible to use the product without license, and we do not have a plans for free version of this product. Now that we have our license applied, this message over here has changed to please add a page with an almighty support shortcode or block. Let's add a page by clicking on that link. Add new page in WordPress backend should open. Let's call it support. And we are going to choose a block. We can add a shortcode, but the easier is to choose the almighty support block. You can search for it if it doesn't show. And choose the almighty support block. Adjust your page however you wish, whatever options you have, and publish that page. Once that page is published, it's available on our website. Okay? To make it easier, I am going to add that page to the menus. So I will go to Appearance, Menus. Is it saved already? Yes, it is. Choose that support page, add to menu. It is going to be added to my main menu, and just save the menu. Now when I visit the website, the support link to support page will simply be displayed in the menu. This is the quality of life change. You don't really have to show it in the menu if you do not want. You can show it in the footer and different menus that you have, or on some completely different location, however you wish. I just love to see all of the important menus for these videos in the main navigation menu, so that's the only reason why I put it there. And if I open it, it will show something like this. Okay, so this is our support system. This is our Almighty Support plugin on the website itself. And there is nothing in it, no tickets found, nothing is there yet, because we don't even have users, we don't have agents, support agents that will reply the tickets, and we don't have configuration finished yet. But this is how it's going to look. So let's get back to the configuration for Almighty Support and switch to the general. Okay. Now, when this opens, you will see a couple of options that you can change over here. The most important one for you is probably to decide whether or not you want to show Powered by Almighty Support. If I disable it, then on the front end, it will be disabled as well. Powered by Almighty Support will not be shown anymore. For now, I only want to set up a single agent that will be able to reply to the tickets as an agent. Okay, right now I don't have a single agent on the list except admin, which is always an agent. Adding the new user as an agent is simple as looking for their name. I only have one user on this website for now, it's Sophie, and I'm going to select a role for her. Let's say she's an agent, and she will automatically be assigned to the technical support department. Okay. Adding an agent. Let's check the departments. On the departments list, you see I assigned the Sophie to technical support, but she's not the default assignee. However, now I have an option to choose her as a default assignee. All right. So now, whenever someone opens a ticket in the technical support department, Sophie Mawson will be assigned to that ticket, like that. All right, but that is the subject for the future episode, because we are running out of time in this one. I hope you like what you see so far, and I hope you'll give Almighty Support a chance. So for now, we have installed Almighty Support on our website, we have added it to the menus, we have made it available on the website, and we even added one agent for it. In the next episode, we're going to be adding more agents, we're going to be adding more users, managers, we're going to be start opening the tickets and all that good stuff. Until then, you know what you need to do. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, hit that bell notification icon to be notified whenever new video comes out, follow us on social media and all that good things. Until the next episode, I wish you all the best with your websites. Bye!